Annapolis is poised to see more inventory coming to the market based on the proposed coming soon and temporarily off the market properties. This is likely not going to tip the scales over to a more balanced market quite yet, but interesting to note, properties currently listed for sale average 58 days. This is considerably longer than the 14 days from this time last year. It's Friday, July 8th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. While there is never a best or worst time to list in our area due to the favorable market and lifestyle attractions we enjoy, the July-August months historically slow down, except over the past 2 years where those months remained fast-paced and moving more quickly. Inventory right now is actually down from this time last year, though prices are up. With fewer homes on the market, the fewer buyers in the market will likely see yours if priced and positioned well. Right now, there are 144 homes for sale in Annapolis, which is another 4% decrease from last week's report. 32 homes are coming soon, shooting up from last week's report. 35 homes came to the market last week. Again, this is fewer than in the prior week. 17 homes went under contract, even fewer again than last week. 25 homes are temporarily off the market, no change here. 12 homes went pending, which is down another 15% from last week's decrease. 44 homes sold in 7 median days. The highest sale in the past week was in Bay Ridge for $2,200,000. Rental inventory rose slightly to 20 properties, averaging $2,575 per month. For those experiencing a challenging time finding a rental and who ultimately would prefer to own their own home, we have lease to purchase programs that may be a solution for you. Message us to learn more. And if I can answer any of your buying or selling questions, give me a call. Thanks for watching and subscribing. When you have questions or need the best real estate professional on your side when buying or selling, give us a call. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 8th. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well. Cheers.